The walkway bridge down at the bottom of Tamworth Street, whatever the street is. Yeah, the South Dubbo walkway bridge from south to west. That's it, just there. Underneath that big pile of trees and shit. How cool is that? All the way over the back. Can't zoom in, so you gotta put up with this. This is down at Sandy Beach. Close as I can get, because I'm not going to go across there on my motorbike. Yeah, it's all cut off. It's all the way down there and out the Macquarie. Joins up back down there. Yeah, I'll see where I can go and take some more photos and more video. And try to make it the Devil's Elbow. Now we're down at the LH Ford Bridge. We're just focused in the middle of the screen. That's the tree down at the edge of the old bank. Yeah, even that one there. The old bank there. Those trees are on the other side, the other bank. It's awesome. I know. Now we're back behind ANZ, Target and all that. Mainly ANZ. There it is over there. Yeah, a little bit more water than yesterday. Slowly making my way up to Erskine Street Bridge, but yeah. Here we are down at the Erskine Street Bridge. She's just a little underwater. Just a little bit. Here we are down Dubbo.